As we already know, Globant Enterprise AI Lab provides pre-configured public tools that are available by default for use when defining agents. To view them, we can edit the definition of an agent and access the AI and Tools tab. Then, in the Agents and Tools to Use section, we click on Add. Note that there is a selector where we can filter and view the public tools. Private tools, agents, or everything that is available. Some public tools require custom configuration to work properly and are marked with a warning icon indicating that they need to be configured before use. Among the public tools that require configuration are the Google Drive tools, which allow creating Google documents and uploading images to Google Drive. Before configuring these tools, we must access the Google Cloud Platform to obtain a JSON file that stores the service account credentials. So we log into the Google Cloud Console and create or select the project to work on. Then we enable the Google Drive API and the Google Docs API. In the side menu, we go to IAM and Administration, Service Accounts, and create a new service account. We assign the necessary roles, for example, the editor role. In the created service account, we go to the Keys tab and create a new key in JSON format. The downloaded file contains the credentials needed to authenticate the requests, and we will use it later. After completing these steps, we access the Globant Enterprise AI backoffice to create a secret in the project where we are working. In the name field, we enter, for example, Google Drive, and that will be the name to be used later in the tool's credentials parameter. In the value field, we must paste the complete content of the JSON file downloaded from the Google Cloud Platform. Remember that this file contains the service account credentials. And we confirm. Okay, we now go to the lab and edit the definition of the agent that we need to access this tool. We go to the AI and Tools tab, and under the Agents and Tools to Use section, we click on Add. We select the tool, and in the right panel, fill in the necessary parameters. Both Google Drive tools require the following parameters to be completed. Credentials, which is the name of the secret that stores the service account credentials in JSON format, and in our example is Google Drive. And email, which corresponds to the email address to which the Google Drive file generated by the tool will be sent. We do the same to configure the other tool. Good. Other public tools that require configuration are Jira and SharePoint tools. The Jira tool allows us to create Jira tickets. And the SharePoint ones allow us to create Word documents and upload images to SharePoint. We suggest accessing the Globant Enterprise AI documentation to follow the steps and generate the necessary credentials in each case. Then the corresponding secret must be created, as we have already seen, and the parameters required by each tool must be completed. It is important to note that these configurations are at the level of each Globant Enterprise AI project, which means that all agents that are created within that project will have these public tools configured.